Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be a super helpful video, guys, if you have a Kia Optima and you're trying to find where the fuses for the air conditioners are located. You may have up to 5 fuses, make sure you stand till the end. Some of those are located in a fuse box that's inside the vehicle and some are in a fuse box that's in the engine compartment, and we'll explain about each one of those fuses, so make sure you stand till the end. If you guys need to buy any replacement fuses, relays, parts for your Kia Optima, we'll share the link in the description of the video below where you can buy all that from for a really good price and quick shipping. That's where we get all the parts and tools from. Also, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos, guys. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Now, the plan, guys, on that Kia Optima is to make at least 200 free electrical and diagnostics videos, and they will be published on the channel you're watching right now, Electrical Car Repair Live. And we'll have more than 300 videos where we'll be taking the engine apart, the car apart, and all that will be on our YouTube channel, World Mechanics. So please check it out, subscribe. We'll have so much helpful information coming on this vehicle there as well. So let's start on it now. So if you come inside the vehicle next to the footwell, you can see that fuse box, okay, right here. Remove that cover and that's where the fuses are. So we showed you guys where exactly, okay, that fuse box is located inside. We took a picture so we can zoom in and show you clearly where actually the fuses are located, because practically it's not possible to get the camera in there. So the first fuse, guys, okay, that we actually need to check, okay, this fuse is super important. You need to come to the 5th row, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you need to come to this one, okay, right here, 7.5 amp fuse, guys. That's air conditioner fuse. Always test the fuses, guys. Never assume they're good or bad. We have a special video that explains how to test the fuse. Takes only a few seconds, and we'll put the link in the description of the video below. This is the first one. Then we have another fuse, guys, that is actually, if you come, it comes to row number 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you need to go down 4 fuses, 1, 2, 3, 4, another 7.5 amp fuse right here. This is known as module 1 fuses. Check this one as well. Okay, it's very, very important, guys. So what about something else? Okay, you have one fuse, okay, that's known as room LP, and it's this fuse right here. Okay, and this fuse is a 10 amp fuse, guys. You will need to remove, okay, or replace, you need to test or replace this fuse as well. How you remove it? That yellow thing, you just grab, push in and pull it out. Okay, and the whole assembly with the 2 fuses will come out, and you need to remove the one fuse on the right side after that. Those are the fuses that are inside, guys, but you actually have some that are in the fuse box, okay, under the, okay, that fuse box that's in the engine compartment. You need to squish, pull straight up. On the back side you can see the fuses printed, but what we did actually, okay, we printed the fuses so we can show you things with a great detail. Another fuse, guys, that we need to check, okay, it's that RRHTD-IND fuse, this one right here. So it's this fuse, okay, that you need to check right here, okay. And after that you have another fuse that's known as air conditioner fuse. You need to come over here, check it out. So how you guys, okay, remove those fuses if you need to, grab the fuse puller, okay, then get on top of the fuse and pull it out. Always, guys, as I said, always test them. Never assume they're good or bad, because you may think it's a good fuse and actually you put a bad fuse in, and you can spend so much time and money to fix your air conditioner on your Kia Optima. So we'll definitely recommend to test them first. I'll put the link in the description of the video below. If you need to buy replacement fuses for a really good price, we'll put that link as well. So hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you that needed that information. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.